Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today we're gonna have an announcement about the channel, about one of our vehicles. Which one is it? So, I don't know. Keep watching. Everybody doing today? Thanks for watching and taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And today we're gonna talk about one of our vehicles. So, which one is it? Well, we're missing one. One's gone. We end up getting rid of one vehicle, so we're down one. So let's see which one it is. I don't know. We'll have to open up the garage and find out. You guys ready? You see, we're missing well, if you guessed it, the Mustang. So we'll tell you, well, the Mustang's no longer with us in the Ouzo garage. But it's like good news and bad news. Well, it's pretty much good news. What it is the Mustang's gone, but my brother has it. Did a lot of thinking about it and praying about it, and I gave it to my brother. And he can enjoy it with him and his family, my nieces and nephews. And he used to be in cars. He had a Camaro, and this is a way to get him back into it, and he can enjoy it with his family, like I have with my son. And so, it's a win-win. I couldn't sell it. I just could not sell the car with all the work I had done to it and all the time. So I believe this was the best thing to do, was to give him the car. So the Mustang is with him, and I'm happy for them. And it was a good feeling too to give it to him, to see the look on his face. And my nephew and nieces, it's priceless. You can't beat that. You can't put any money on that. So yeah, it's a great feeling to see them happy and they can enjoy it. And plus too, I'll still go over there and help them work on it, and I have other parts to give them, and I'm gonna enjoy what I have and enjoy the Corvette and the Scat Pack and the Jeep, and then we got my work car, and the kids got the truck. So yeah, I think that was just the right thing to do. And didn't have a lot of money into it, just a lot of time, and always went to swap meets, got stuff on sale. So that's one reason why I could not sell that car. It was just had too much time in it. I mean, the kid worked on it a lot. So, and now he can enjoy it with his family. So I'm sure you guys still see it in the channel here and there, maybe at car shows, and he can go meet us at car shows, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool to see. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool to see them happy. So what do you guys think? Was that a great idea to do that? So you let me know in the comments. So this is just a quick video about one of the vehicles being gone. So, and right now it's, end of November, and it's getting cold out. So yeah, with it being November and Thanksgiving's coming around the corner actually this week, so we're thankful for everything we have. So it was nice to give. And yeah, so if you guys are watching this like around Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, and thanks always for watching our channel, taking all the time out to check our channel out. I appreciate it. I gotta do another video today on the footage on a petrol box. I'm behind like crazy. So yeah, so it's gone. Just a Scat Pack in the Corvette. So, but it's going. It went to a good home, and then plus I get to see it all the time. Well, I'll probably be working on it too with them. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Later.